This course, which you are supposed to complete in 15 weeks, has been developed in a very systematic and logical manner. Dear student, this course gives an overview of concept of strategy, environment analysis and diagnosis, strategy formulation and choices of alternatives, functional strategies, strategy implementation, strategy and structure, strategy evaluation and global issues in strategic management. In the first week, we shall be giving an overview of the investment analysis and risk and return concepts. In investment analysis, the risk and return concepts, we would discuss basic of investment, nature and scope of investment analysis, elements of investments and avenues of investment, approaches to investment analysis and concept of risk and return, security risk and return, measurement of return and risk. In the second week, we shall discuss financial assets and primary markets. There we will discuss on financial assets, security market, primary market and allotment procedure and new financial instrument in primary market. In the third week, the focal point of discussion shall be the SEBI guidelines on public issue, like SEBI guidelines on size, pricing of issue and promoters contribution, and SEBI guidelines on appointment of merchant bankers, underwriters, broker, registrar and banker. Dear student, keep in mind that the first 3 weeks shall form the basis for understanding not only the topics in the later part of this course, but also many other concepts of security analysis and portfolio management. After this, in the fourth week, we shall study about the secondary market, allotment and trading of securities. Under this, we shall further study allotment of shares, role and types of brokers in secondary market and trading mechanism of secondary market at large. After this, in the fifth week, we shall study about the trading in secondary market depositories, in which we would further study the topic in detail, like listing of securities in secondary market, screen based trading and depositories, role and need of Depositories Act 1996. Valuation of securities will be discussed in the sixth week. Here we will see how valuation of securities, bonds, debentures, preference shares and equity shares is done. In the next week, that is the seventh week, shall make you knowledgeable about fundamental analysis. Here we shall study about detailed topics of fundamental analysis, economic analysis, industry analysis and company analysis. You shall also become familiar with the effect of changes and damages caused by these fluctuations to companies' financials. Week 8 shall be a revision and assessment week for you. In this week, you are supposed to revise what all you have learned in this course and submit the assignments in time. Please note that the marks obtained by you in these assignments shall count towards your grades in this course. Technical analysis also provides some company with trends and indicators about the opportunities and threat. Week 9 shall put all focus on some technical analysis to say trend and indicators and indices, moving averages applied in technical analysis. The next detailed study shall be on efficient market hypothesis and its testing techniques and portfolio management. The Markowitz and Sharpe model will be discussed here, which will be covered in the 10th and 11th week. In the week 10, we shall learn in detail about the risk and return, testing techniques, types of market like weak, semi-strong and strong form of market, Markowitz risk return optimization and Sharpe single index model. The 12th week and a part of the 13th week shall be devoted to the detailed study of capital asset pricing model and risk and arbitrage pricing theory and factor models. This shall include detailed study of types of risk and their measurement and arbitrage pricing theory and factor model. In the 14th week, we shall focus on portfolio performance evaluation measures. This shall include measures of return and risk adjusted performance measures. The 15th week shall be a self study week 2 for you. In this week, you are supposed to revise what all you have learned in this course. Dear student, I am very confident that this course will equip you with the knowledge about the different types of security portfolio along with their management analysis and other details. After the completion of this course, there shall be a proctored examination about which you shall be notified at appropriate time. Dear students, I am sure you will find this course very interesting and enjoyable. Please go through the entire e-content, which includes both self-learning videos and e-text, very thoroughly, and perform the various activities and assignments of this course sincerely. I am quite confident that going through this course shall be a great self-learning experience for you. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.